Good morning, class 10th. Come to next topic, which is given in your most lengthy chapter, life process, excretion. We have completed almost almost portion of life process chapter. Now this is last topic given in your book in this chapter, life process. And one thing more I want to tell you, in periodic test 1 only this chapter will come from biology, लाइफ प्रोसेस. इसलिए बहुत कायदे से इस चैप्टर को पढ़िए, बहुत कायदे से इस चैप्टर को रिवाइज करिए. पूरा का पूरा PT1 का सिलेबस ही यही एक चैप्टर है केवल. ओके, बिफोर दिस excretion we have studied about circulatory system, circulation in human beings, and transport in plants also we have studied. Okay, excretion, students, as you know, in metabolic processes various substances are manufactured, are made, which are toxic in nature. Since many metabolic activities are continuously going on inside our body for maintenance of life upon the surface of the earth, so as a result of these metabolic processes, some waste materials are also formed. These waste materials should remove from the body immediately, because if these waste materials accumulated in our body for a long time, then it may toxic for our normal health. Okay, so removal of waste materials from the body into external surrounding is known as excretion. इसी एक्सक्रीशन को ही इजेशन भी कहा जाता है, EGSTION, इजेशन. ओके, टू गेट rid of from waste material is known as excretion. Human beings are having a special type of organs, well developed organs for excretion, as you know, students. But first of all, I want to tell you that according to the waste material, animals present on our surface are of three types. According to the waste organic compound based on the waste material, animals are of three types. Number one, ammonotelic animals. Ammonotelic animals are those which used to excrete ammonia as excretory product. Okay, fishes are example of this. Aquatic animals are examples. Now second one is uricotelic animals. Uricotelic animals. Uricotelic animals are those which used to excrete uric acid from their body. Okay, ammonotelic and ureotelic and uricotelic. Three types of animals present upon the surface of the earth. Ammonotelic are those which used to excrete their excretory product in form of ammonia gas, example fishes. Ureotelic animals are those animals which used to excrete their excretory material in form of uric acid. Reptiles are examples of uricotelic animals like house lizard, chameleon, snake, all these animals. And last one, ureotelic animals are those animals which used to their excrete material in form of urea. Okay, we are examples of ureotelic animals. Clear? Now, as far as excretion in human being is concerned, human beings are having well developed excretory organs. Okay, these excretory organs include, number one, a pair of kidneys. very important organ, very important excretory organ. Kidneys, a pair of kidneys, okay, a pair of ureters, which ends into urinary bladder. It is a bladder-like structure in which our excretory product is stored for some time only. Now come to kidneys. Unit of kidneys are nephrons. ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है बोर्ड में. यूनिट ऑफ एक्सक्रीशन, यूनिट ऑफ किडनी, तो इसका आंसर होगा नेफ्रॉन. ठीक है. ईच नेफ्रॉन consist of Bowman capsule. Each nephron consists of Bowman capsule, glomerulus, PCT, that is proximal convoluted tube, proximal convoluted tube, and DCT, DCT, distal convoluted tube, distal, DISTAL, distal convoluted tube. So each nephron is having these main parts, and our excretory system, excretory organ consists of these. So about detail of the process of excretory excretion in human beings we will study in later online classes. Today I want to include one more thing in today's online class. Human beings are not excrete only in form of urea. We are having some more excretory organs also. Like we are having sebaceous gland in our skin. Just beneath the skin we are having sweat glands, which are also known as sebaceous glands. These sebaceous gland or sweat gland used to excrete sweat, which is very essential for maintenance of temperature of our body. Now, carbon dioxide is also excretory gas of human being, and this excretory gas, this waste gas, this toxic gas is released out from the body through our lungs. So our lungs are also excretory organs. Okay, we are having some mucus glands in our noses, so these are also excretory organs. Tears also, we are having tears gland, lacrimal gland. Okay, so these are also excretory organs, but our major excretory organ are pair of kidneys. Okay, students, so revise whatever we have studied in today's online class. This is your first and foremost requirement, because exams are ahead. So let's do our best in this exam. I'll explain excretion in detail in my next online video. Thank you, class 10. Thank you.